In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from your eBay account. Whether you're updating your payment options or simply want to manage your financial details, removing outdated or unnecessary credit cards from your eBay profile is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to log in to your eBay account. Open your web browser and go to eBay's website. Once there, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it right there. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your eBay homepage where you can access all the tools you need to manage your account. Next, head over to My eBay by clicking on your username or the account icon also situated at the top right of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Selling. Even if you're not selling items actively, this section holds your account's payment details. Selecting this option will lead you to a dashboard that focuses on transactions and, crucially, your payment settings. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. From there, choose Payments. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have an extensive history. In the Payments section, you can view all the payment methods you've linked to your eBay account. Find the credit or debit card that you wish to remove from your account. It will be listed under your active payment methods, usually displaying the last 4 digits of the card number for reference. Next, locate the Remove option next to the card you want to delete. This option is straightforward and usually quite visible. Clicking Remove will initiate the card removal process. It's a good idea to double check that the right card is selected before proceeding, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you've clicked Remove, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is simply a security measure to ensure that you are intentionally removing the card and not doing so by accident. Confirm the action by following the on-screen instructions. Generally, this involves clicking a Confirm or Yes button. And that's it. The credit card will be removed from your eBay account. If you plan to add a new card at a later time, you can do so by revisiting the Payments menu and selecting the Add Payment Method option. It's essential to keep your payment information up to date to ensure seamless transactions on eBay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your eBay payment settings with ease.